Mama, let your weary tears be still. I rest now in the warmth of heaven's will. The life you gave me, rich with grace and love, was more than I could ask the stars above. You led me through this world with faithful hands, and taught me how to seek what truly stands. Because of you I touched the light of day, a grateful heart that nothing takes away. Mama, thank you for the breath, the years, for every prayer you whispered through your tears. I wear a smile beyond what eyes can see. I'm watching over you, and I am free. When incense lifts at dawn upon the air, when you bow your head in morning prayer, know that in that sacred holy space I am there beside you by God's grace. Do not grieve as those who have no faith, for love like yours transcends both time and space. In eternal light, in peaceful rest, I dwell, and all I want to say is I am well. I'm smiling, Mama, always, always near.